Welcome to the NewsData.io Query Builder, the fastest way to create, test, and generate API queries without writing a single line of code. Let's start with a quick overview of the interface. At the top, you'll see the Build and Test Your Query section. This is where you configure your filters and instantly preview your API call. Now, your API key is displayed here for quick access. Just click Copy to Clipboard whenever you need it. On the right-hand side, you'll see the Live Query panel, which shows your query with options to copy, run, and reset options. You also have the option to save your query and download the query responses in CSV, Excel, or JSON formats. Now let's build a query. The first step is selecting the endpoint. NewsData.io supports multiple endpoints including latest, crypto, archive, source, and market endpoints. Where latest news fetches articles published in the last 48 hours, crypto is designed for crypto and blockchain updates. Archive lets you pull historical data based on your plan. Source endpoint gives you the overview of sources we have. And market endpoints are designed specifically for financial and stock news. For this demo, we'll choose the latest endpoint. Now let's set up your search query, and for that, you need to choose the search methods. Let's suppose you want to search for your query in the whole article, you choose Q. And if you want to limit the search to only titles, you can choose qInTitle. And if you want to search in meta fields only, like title, URL, and meta description, then you can choose qInMeta. Here, we are using Q method. Now, we just need to enter the query. You can also use advanced operators like AND, OR, and NOT for precise filtering. For example, let's search for Tesla and earnings. Now we move into content filters. This is where you shape and refine your results. Select countries, exclude countries, choose languages, categories, domain URLs, and even control results based on domain priority, time frame, and time zone. Here we'll target business news from the United States, so we'll choose country as United States and choose category as business. You can also filter your search results by media type. For example, fetch only articles with the full content, images, and videos. Now, let's move to our AI filters. Depending on your subscription plan, you'll also have access to these AI-driven filters. These include organization extraction, region classification, AI tags, and sentiment analysis. So we'll choose sentiment as positive. Now, in the other filter section, you can control how your results are by removing duplicate articles, exclude specific response fields, sort your results, and paginate to next page. Along with that, you can also search for a specific article by its unique ID and URL. So we'll sort our articles by relevancy. And let's remove the duplicate articles. Now, we have created our query. On the right, you'll see the Live Query Preview panel. Everything you select from the filters, this section shows your updated API query in real time. You can also switch this query between Web, Python, and React code instantly and run it. This gives developer ready-to-use code with zero effort. And once your query looks right, you have 3 quick actions. You can simply click Run in Browser to instantly open your query and preview real API results. Once you verify your query, you can use Save Query to store your configuration for later, which is perfect for recurring tasks. And if you want to start over, just hit Reset All to clear your filters and begin fresh. Below this section, you'll see the option to download your query responses. Simply choose the file format and click Download. Next, give your query a name and review how many credits will be consumed. Once you're done, click the Download and Save button. The response file will be sent to your registered email address. You can manage your downloaded queries anytime. View the query, download it later, or delete it when no longer needed. So that's a complete walkthrough of the query builder with real-time previews, AI-powered filters, and instant code generation. You can create highly accurate news queries in seconds. Start exploring your data with NewsData.io today.